They've driven up to 1,900 kilometres just for one workshop, but to the Bolschmieder family, the distance is worth the reward.
Firstly, they come in and go, no, I can't do that, I can't do that. We assure them, yep, you can. By the end of the day, when they put that last stitch in and they hold up and go, I can't believe I did that.
They travel around the state teaching sewing novices how to make their own quilt in one day.
If you can know that somewhere along the line you've heard of the word sewing machine, we can teach you to use it.
It's a unique concept, one that lifts spirits and provides social interaction.
It's very therapeutic. It's a good fun way to get them basically up and running again, show them there's so much beautiful colours in life.
Aussie Quick Quilt is helping break stereotypes with people of all ages and abilities. Farmers in particular receive the greatest benefit.
Because they just don't get that break. They don't have the time to have that time for themselves, so they can afford one day.
Bringing a smile to the faces of people needing it most.
Basically anywhere where they need colour, some brightness and something a little bit different. So breaking down the barriers and getting us out there.
Jessica Stewart, 7 News.